Good morning, everyone. My name is DAR Wong, and I am a veteran market investor for the last 30 over years. Welcome to the OTOP series, and it stands for One Target, One Purpose. On every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time, we shall share with you one very important market opinion, and it could be a stock market, it could be a CFD, it could be an FX or options, or it can be just any commodity that come from any part of the world. So don't forget to log on to us on every Monday morning. Watch us, and all you need is just 10 minutes. Stay tuned, and I shall be right back. Hi there, welcome back to the OTOP series, and this is the OTOP 146 for the week 26 June year 2023, and see what I have brought back from China. Beautiful fan of wisdom. Well, last week we took a break because I was away in China, and there was a difficulty in logging into the international media like YouTube or Google, so we took a break for 1 week. But this week we are quickly resuming our OTOP, and of course this is 146, as I remind all of you, and the date is 26 June year 2023. Well, we shall again do a small recap on last week, then followed by revision, and of course this week don't miss out what we're going to cover with you for the next 10 minutes with, well, the fan of wisdom. Right, stay tuned. Well, on last week, we had the Bank of England in UK raising a 50 basis point, or we call it half percentage, well, bringing the main interest rate to 5%, and that was quite hefty, and causing the US Europe stock prices to close lower, all right, on Friday. And well, if we look at this revision here on last Friday, as you can see here, US Dow Jones closed lower and lost 219 points, 219, and the closing price 33,727. S&P was down 33 points, closing price 4348, and Nasdaq was down 138 points, closing price 13,492. Well, if you look at gold prices, and the yellow metal actually fell again, well, closing price at $1,930, and it broke below $1,960 per ounce, and it looks like this week is going to go lower. And both commodity, gold prices, oil prices, and equity prices have been going down. Well, this is due to the inverse correlationship on recovery in the greenback, which is the US dollar index. So, as we always mentioned in the past, if US dollar is strengthening, this is the most difficult period, because everything else will be coming down. And what are we going to look at this week? Well, this is a challenge, but we are not giving up. We are still looking at something in Hong Kong this week that can bring you some small little profits if you follow our OTOP 146. Alright, let's take a look at the revision last week. No, not last week, 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, we actually shared the market opinion on the Singapore stock counter sets, okay, SATS, and in fact, it went up 2 weeks ago, and last week there was a correction. Alright, if for those people who have long in these counter sets in Singapore, it's time to take a profit, and perhaps, well, we forecast that it's going to go sideways this week. Alright, anyway, from 250 to 275, or 250 to 260, or 265. So, exit the market and take some profits. Right, very quickly, we are coming to the OTOP 146, and that's for the week 26 June, year 2023. Alright, earlier I was talking about the US dollar index recovering. Let's take a look at the dollar index. This is it. Alright, the symbol is DX, and well, last Friday there was a jump up on the closing 102, and hence all the commodities like gold prices, WTI, have been coming down. Well, and this week most likely is going to be firm a little bit, and Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and commodities will be trading down. So what are we looking at? Very quickly, we want to taking a look at this Hong Kong stocks, which you may not be a stranger to it. Alright, and what is it here we are looking at? And that is the Hong Kong stock 1772, the Ganfeng Lithium stocks that is based in Jiangxi, and this is a state-owned enterprise. Well, if we look at the day chart here, 1772 last week, it was trading lower, all right, from the top above 56 Hong Kong dollars, and closing price on Friday was 53.24. Well, the pattern may be going sideways, but we carry the opinion that it is bottoming up very soon, anywhere in the region of 52, around here, 50 to 52, and it could be moving a rebounds very quickly because the momentum is still near to zero, and turning to positive is a likelihood. Alright, taking a look at the, well, let's take a look at the week chart, and what we see here is, well, it's pretty low, and it has been receding for many months since the top 130 Hong Kong dollars trading in 2021. This is a week chart, of course, and well, we are looking at a convergence of the EMA 4 weeks, 20 weeks, and 200 weeks for 2200 on the week chart. Well, it will be supported and not too bearish for the moment, and hopefully on a short turn of momentum we can find some profits in this counter, alright, which is exactly why we are looking at the 4-hour chart now, the 4-hour time scale. Alright, closing price was 52.52, 52.52 Hong Kong dollars on Friday. As you can see here, alright, the support will be good at $50 Hong Kong dollars, but we do not know whether it will come down here. Well, and momentum it could be turning up, which is quite neutral now. So this week, how we're going to capture this is you may try, alright, try to find an entry about 52 if you can. Alright, anywhere between 51 and 52, and well, a recovery back up to 55 is very likely to happen. Okay, and recently, after the visit of Elon Musk, the boss of Tesla, into China, a lot of EV stock prices have been going up and coming down for correction, and next in wave will be the EV counters, alright, trading in China and Hong Kong. So take a look at this Ganfeng, that is 1772 trading in Hong Kong this week, and look out for the week 26 June year 2023 OTOP 146. Alright, and there's a DW World Equity Time. Stay tuned every Monday morning. Well, we shall resume our weekly episode, and do not miss us again. 9 o'clock AM Hong Kong time, Singapore time, Malaysia time, Beijing time, and I shall be back very quickly. Stay tuned. Bye bye.